It's a real crisis across the world, all right? But anyway, we are #1 trending on Twitter, all right? And YouTube, we are stepped on a fast.
Yeah.
All right?
Fast.
So don't watch your face, all right? So big up C-Rock as we rock.
Yeah.
We the best. Khalid.
Well, did I say something?
Sweet me.
Look into my eyes, tell me what you see. Can you feel my pain? Am I your enemy? Oh my gosh, so I figured say you must have just come from the Big Bad versus Clash featuring Beenie Man and Bounty Killer. How may I tell you, say, you see that clash? You see that versus battle, it's shell, like absolutely. I feel like one of the best things could have happened in the middle of this global pandemic. There's no words, like I can't believe it. Like honestly, I hear about the clash now, I say, okay, I gotta tune in because of big excitement, but I had no idea that it would have fulfilled my little spirit, my little soul so much. It was such an awesome show of just Jamaican talent and just to see two big dancehall superstars just to be able to like have that camaraderie and just to vibe like that and to just showcase all of their musical content spanning over several decades. It did just like incredible. I do not know what more we need to say, but like yeah.
Let's do this. Are you ready? Future Fambo. The Junkin Master. Junk again. I'm drinking.
Everybody have they trying to figure out who exactly win the clash. Me not know who win the clash. To be honest, the clash start off, me feel like it is even. Bounty Killer drop some of theme song them, Beenie Man drop some of theme song them, and it me feel like them the kind of neck and neck, like the kind of like what you call it, like tie. And then at some point in the whole entire clash now, me still like say Bounty Killer start to incorporate more of him personality to the point where me I use the gimmicks and I game points. Like honestly, like me never really care what kind of song and they drop. Bounty start to find a rhyme for everything. Like honestly, me no, like sometimes you forget how much personality Bounty Killer have. For a man you consider the warlord, him very, you know, like jovial and very gimmicksy. You know, and I just saw Bounty Killer stick from long time. Bounty Killer can go on stage show and sell us and shell the stage show and don't have one current hit song. I just saw him talent said.
Don't do not say what I say, but don't do what I do.
Yes. Wally Pagal. One wife and enough can't keep on. Alright. Bring him up.
Not a man say. I would have yelled at my man to shot.
And Beenie Man just like him have hits for days. And big international hits as well. Oh my gosh, like, but some of the sad things about it though are the people them when they dip on the live. And some of them don't really understand the Jamaica next of the thing. Some people did ask for like subtitles. And then you have people like Amanda Seals. She was there so saying something like, you know, when Beenie Man started to play Old Dog Like We, she did say Old Dog Lightweight, like Amanda, yeah. And then you have the Beenie Man account, not the Beenie Man, you have the BET account. And Beenie Man did drop theme song with Gorilla, Plang Plang. Gorilla Blacks come from Hampton, and Beenie Man is a true Jamaican. Yeah, BET decided so they are going to just tweet, make a comment and say that was Biggie. Really, BET? You don't know, said Gorilla Blacks and Biggie are two different people? Huh? Oh, yeah, they all have Idris Elba who jump in on the live and he said Big Chown when it's supposed to be Big Tune. Like, yeah, him one of them, boy. It just, yeah, I don't know. Oh gosh, all Andrew Oldness is up on the live to like, I know Andrew Oldness, like, yeah, he must be a part of them festivities there. And then now, I think I want to talk about some of the people who joined the live. Rihanna joined the live, and then Bounty Killer was just like, Wagwan Riri. You see me, that was like a really good move. Where does Bounty Killer come up with these things? Popcorn did up on the live, Conscience did up on the live, Spice is up on the live, and what was so funny is that Spice only comment when Bounty Killer drop one song. But think of the last part, she kind of jump in when Beenie did play like things, but for the whole, especially the first part of the competition, Spice now comment until until Bounty Killer drop one song and she just put up her light to them. So Missy Elliott did it, Timbaland of course, Swiss Beats, you have DJ Khaled, Rihanna did it, Mr. Rihanna, but Rihanna seemed like she does support Bounty Killer for real. There were so many people were on the live and like commenting and just like building a whole vibe. Like I never know so like Wally Ja Rule, I never know so much Amanda Seals, I never know so much of them influential people there did so much a part of like Jamaican Caribbean culture. But if you know about the whole New York and Brooklyn and the whole of the little settings there, you know say Bounty Killer and Beenie Man, them are like big names, you know, especially because they have a lot of collaborations with so many artists who are from the hip hop rap industry. So like, oh gosh, like I don't know what to really say, but this clash was amazing. Like I have no words to talk about it. Like honestly, I really wish we could have seen more and more of it. And when you look on them people there who used to have them little ads and them come together like this and just build up vibes, and you know say Beenie and Bounty like them, you know them go back and forth with them feud, but them come together like this and it make you really wonder say, can you imagine if things is set a little bit differently and you could have say a Bounty Killer versus Mavado, probably not from versus but from probably something else, like it would have just been like so incredible. How can I be talking about the older things and we're not talking about the big bad moment? Why did the police have to interrupt the clash? No, you can't tell me like how much more Jamaican could the clash have been, like how much more Jamaican could this moment have been for the police them just come in and lock off the dance, want to come attempt to lock off the dance, like come on man.
We are on international TV live. People, the police are here.
I want to go, no!
Good evening, officer. How are you, sir? You alright? You good?
I can't relive this.
Sir? Everything good? Alright, can we not do this right now? The world is watching us right now.
I can't relive this.
Can we not do this right now? We got 500,000 people watching us right now. Everything good? Alright, can we not do this right now? The world is watching us right now.
I can't relive this.
Can we not do this right now? We got 500,000 people watching us right now.
People, the police are here.
Wow.
But we're not stopping. Because before COVID-19.
Come on. I like a video like you know want, like honestly, better not tell me say like you know incorporate that for kind of give it a real authentic vibe. But you can't come tell me say Andrew wanna step on the live and who need for like have permit and stuff, never know about it, and try to come lock off the big international something. I'm kind of glad on them they kind of deal with it. And what was funny is how as soon as the police them come, as bad as the warlord be, the warlord are the first one for cut like. During the whole entire life, at some point, I think it would have been so good if Danger just walk through. If she just did make a little 1-2 muggling, just walk through. Just walk, I don't know. Or if she even enter the versus conversation on Instagram. If she just enter something on the chat, it overdone. Boy, and the last part though, when they decided to drag, you know, certain internet providers, data providers. Oh no, me never ready for that at all. Me never ready for it. Me no know Bounty. Me no know if the other company did pay you a little money for say all of that because boy, oh gosh, Jesus Christ never look good at all. Boy, it just they kind of messed up like the whole entire moment in front of the whole entire world. Boy, oh boy, but I have to just come in. The little internet and the little light provider JPS and you know Flow and Digital for just like keeping it together for the little moment. Because boy, anyhow like if JPS lock off the light in the middle of that, and I tell you Jamaica Black Road, you know man, all kind of it would nice at all.
Yes, when Bounty Killer do that, say girl them a face, shape, figure, we just go from the veranda and just look on them one.
Why is that so? Pull up!
So number one, to go back to who really win the clash. Like to be honest, let me just try to really give a concrete like answer. I would say Beenie won the clash. Well, I would have said Beenie win based on like the songs that he dropped. But when it comes to like clashing, you have to have a certain personality for clash. You have to be kind of ruthless. You have to kind of go below the belt sometimes for kind of be a true clash artist based on the Jamaican criteria I'm gonna give it. And some of them have to give Bounty Killer as him win the clash because Bounty Killer never go by certain rules in the kind of, you know, pop some little things that kind of catch Beenie Man off guard, like, you know, going for the little dubs them. And sometimes Bounty Killer did have the mic at some of the point them because Bounty Killer made for this. Like Bounty Killer, literally, he is built for them type of environment here. And them type of settings here, Bounty Killer get him clash. You put him in a one battle, pan a war zone with somebody, he is the warlord, so him know how to bring it.
Mommy head, he look like somebody needs some contact lens. Come on and twist on them, one of them me just defend.
If it come to like another charismatic type of jovial type of vibe, a Beenie Man think that. But when you come to just the ruthlessness and knowing if I have the personality in the clash segment, a Bounty Killer, him a go thrive in a them type of environment there, and that's what it is. But look at the humor injected in it, like you have to just go give him. You have to go give him like oh God. Oh gosh, I do not know. Like Beenie Man, you did it. You did what you need for do, but I just Bounty Killer personality. Like you can't go around it. Me no know. I that's it. So I would actually know thinking of it. I am going to say that Bounty Killer him win the clash based on the overall set of criteria in terms of just like delivery, personality, just humor, just like catalog. Yeah, I think him have the edge over there. So, but Bounty Killer upon the catalog, Beenie Man upon the catalog part solely, clearly the winner to me. Alright, so more to hear from the Burritos. Who do you think won the versus battle? Was it Beenie Man or Bounty Killer? I want you to comment down below and let me know what was your favorite moment. I particularly enjoyed like the ending part when they play some EDM type of song and Bounty Killer just start for a freestyle and man do all kind of little movements and stuff, and then you know that moment when you know Disha come in and she was dancing, him bringing Crystal and you know the baby's Zaya. That was nice towards the end as well, but boy, it was just
We love you, people. Thank you for all the fans.
boy, oh boy, I think we need something like this every single day for kind of get me through this whole COVID times. That's all. Peace out, Burritos. Sound off below what is your favorite part of the versus battle, alright?